In this video you will learn how to use MyPay on Chime. First, ensure eligibility. Make sure you meet the following criteria. You are at least 18 years old. You have a Chime checking account in good standing. Your physical Chime Visa debit card is active. You received at least one qualifying direct deposit of $200 or more in the past 36 days. You live in a state where MyPay is available. If you're eligible, you will receive an invitation via email or a notification in your Chime app. Step 2. Check MyPay in Chime. Open the Chime app and go to MyPay section. Then tap Get Money to view your available balance. Choose your advanced amount. Select an amount between $20 and $500, which is based on your direct deposit history or other criteria. Then, select your funding speed. Choose an instant funding method to get money instantly for a $2 fee per advance, or standard funding to receive the funds within 24 hours at no cost. Review. Make sure to review and confirm. Review the advanced amount of your new checking account balance. Authorize Chime to debit for your account repayment, which will next qualify direct deposit posts. Tap Next to finish. Repayment process. Your MyPay advanced and instant funding fee will be automatically repaid with your next qualifying direct deposit arrival. The repayment will appear as My Repayment. If applicable, MyPay instantly advance fees. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.